All right, so here what we're doing is we're showing our system, the TEK8 with integrated Nvidia Jetson. To this, we're connecting 24 of our VizionLink cameras. These are being captured and displayed simultaneously on this monitor. And this is really just to show the power of our platform here for being able to work with many different camera streams for applications like transportation, video analysis of traffic patterns and license plates, for example. I can show you here, if I walk to the other side, I can show you here that we really are capturing all of this data at exactly the same time. I just wave my hands in front of the cameras. We can see that this is all being done in real time. Each one of these cameras can be up to 15 meters away from this processor here, so they can be distributed really far away from the system for a lot of different use cases and applications.
For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check our website, or reach out to us directly by contacting sales@technexion.com. Thanks.